Guys, welcome to the vlog. Today we're in beautiful Germany, but as you can see, we're going on a trip. So you probably already saw it in the title. We're going to Grenada. It might be a longer video, I don't know yet, but it should be fun either way. I'm bringing the drone. Probably gonna get some good shots with that one, and yeah, I'll be happy to see what happens. And yeah, tomorrow we're heading onto the plane. We're going to be flying first to Frankfurt, then to Toronto, and then to Grenada. But yeah, anyway, I'll see you there. Alright guys, so we've made it to the airport. It's about 9 a.m. right now. And yeah, we've just dropped our bags. And now we're going to be heading to the security. And yeah, then we're going to be on our way to Frankfurt. Alright, so we've made it through the gate right now, through the security, and now we're just gonna be waiting here, waiting for our flight, which will leave in about an hour, and yeah, see you there. We have finally made it to Toronto. We flew for 8 hours. Now we're here. Gonna be here for about 16 hours. And yeah, then we're going to take our next flight and final flight. Alright guys, so we've made it to the hotel, but yeah, I'll just see you tomorrow at the airport again. See you there. Okay, so we've made it to the airport. Good morning. We're about to fly to Grenada, as I said yesterday. We're in the lounge right now because one of the people I'm flying with has a pass for that, where he can take me in with him, and it's very nice. Got some food, got something to drink, and yeah, we'll be heading on our way to Grenada in any moment. So yeah.
Pulling the tab will inflate the leg vent.
Okay, so we've made it to our accommodation, and yeah, we've arrived here from the airport. It was about a 5-minute journey, which we paid $40 for, which is way too much, but anyway. And yeah, now we're just gonna be chilling for an evening, and then we'll see what's gonna be happening tomorrow. Probably not gonna film anything until then, but yeah, we'll see. Alright guys, so it's the next day right now. I've just been working for some uni stuff over here. The sun's actually out today, which is very nice. And yeah, so so I've just been enjoying the day, not really doing too much. My family went to the beach, just chilled there for a couple hours. They're about to be back now, so yeah, I don't think there's gonna be happening much today. If I don't record anything, then it just means that nothing really interesting happened. So yeah, when something does happen though, I will let you know and I will film it for you. So yeah. As you can see, after 2 days in our villa, we have made it to the beach. And it is very, very cool. We're gonna be getting our boat from over there, over there at some point tomorrow. And yeah, but now we're just gonna be chilling here, do a bit of swimming, and then yeah, we'll see what's gonna happen. Alright guys, so we've just finished eating at the beach bar and yeah, now we're just heading back to our villa. Definitely see you tomorrow, because tomorrow we're going on the boat. So yeah, I'll see you then. Good morning guys, now we're just heading to the boat. We just got overtaken on these roads. The car is very full, as you can see, and yeah, I'm very excited to see what the boat has to offer. We have just carried most of our bags here and there over to the rental place. Now we're gonna have to wait for the boat for quite a while actually. But yeah, I think they're gonna be safe here, and we're just gonna go to the beach bar or whatever it is. And yeah, as you can see, I'm very sweaty because it's very hot. All right guys, we have just come to our boat and it's huge. But yeah, let me show you it right now.
Come again.
Alright guys, so I hope I showed you enough of the boat. It's very cool. It is kind of tight for the amount of people that we have, but it is what it is. I'm still gonna enjoy it either way. And now we're just gonna be watching the sunset over here, and yeah, just enjoy the beautiful scenery on Grenada. Alright guys, so it's the next day right now. Everyone slept pretty terribly the first night on the boat because the heat was just too much. I also woke up at 4 a.m, went outside for a bit to cool down, and then slept somewhere else. And yeah, so I hope that gets better, but I don't really know if it can or if it will. But today is the day where we leave this harbor and go for the first time sailing. So yeah, let's see how that's gonna go. All right, our journey is starting right now. We're de-docking, I would say. I'm just here finishing up watching some football, but yeah, then I'm gonna go up on deck and yeah, show you what's gonna be going on. Alright guys, we have made it to our final resting place in that sense. We put our anchor down here. I am very, I don't know if you can see it, but I'm very sunburned, so I'm trying to evade the sun right now. That was a very fun day. Yeah, it was, a lot happened actually, but yeah, I would say my favorite part was driving with the dinghy, which we tried to get a drone shot with, but it didn't turn out, or we couldn't fly because there's an airport. But we're gonna make that happen in the days to come. Oh no, the sun. Anyway, yeah. So tonight we're just gonna be chilling here, this area, and yeah. So if anything interesting happens tomorrow, I'll let you know. See you then. Alright guys, it is once again the next day, and now we're just doing some final shopping and getting everything together, because today we want to be sailing up north to one of the further away islands, so that we can, on the way back, slowly explore the islands. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Yeah, so right now we're just in the harbor with the dinghy and doing the final things. And yeah, so also what I have to share with you is that we have a dive expert on our crew, and he's gonna take us down one by one to, well, dive down. And yeah, so when that happens, I'll try to get I think someone on our crew has a GoPro. If not, you're not gonna be able to see it, but it is what it is. Also, what I think I might do is split this video into 2 parts, because it is gonna get very long. It is only what day is it? 5th day? Yeah, something like that. But yeah, so I'll see you at the next bit. Alright guys, so I was just diving with one of the guys here. He's a certified diver and everything, pretty professional as well. And yeah, so we just went diving. I'm not quite sure if we just caught a fish or not. I don't think so, but we'll see. But yeah, it was very fun. We didn't really see much, but it was good to get a feeling of the diving and everything. And we're gonna be able to continue doing that throughout the trip. So yeah. Alright guys, so right now we're on our way to, I don't know where, a restaurant or a barbecue where yeah, we're gonna eat, and hopefully yeah, we're on this boat with
But also maybe he will eat us.
yeah, we don't know yet, we will see, but yeah, I'll let you know. Right, so indeed, he did not eat us, at least not yet. But there's a bar and everything over here, so yeah, I think this is gonna be good. Let's eat. Alright guys, with that we're gonna now just eat, and like I said, this video will be split into multiple parts. So with this view, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a like down below, subscribe if you're not a Nicky Kicker, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye bye.